to cooking with Sadie. On this week's episode, we will be learning how to make a mix, yeah. So, for this, you will need 3 tablespoons of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil, which I don't really know where that's at, but thought so, just kidding, and 2 eggs. One second. So, sorry for the bad lighting, it's like really late, but first thing you'll need to do is heat oven, depending on what pan you're using, which I haven't figured that out because I'm not professional at all. Just kidding, guys, like, just hold on. Okay, so we got like the pan situation figured out. So next you just need to preheat your oven. So if you have a 13x9, you're going to want it to be at 350. And also if it's a 9x9, you're going to want it to be at 350. But if it's an 8x8, you're going to want to do it to 325. So right now I'm just going to put mine on 350. So yeah. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open your box of brownie mix and put it into a like mixing bowl. Doesn't really matter as long as it's okay. So I got scissors, so yeah, I'm just gonna cut. Maybe if I like did that, can you guys like see over here? Yeah, I kind of took that out, but anyways, so yeah, so that's just, it should just look like powder for now, because that's all that should be in your mix. Anyways, next you're going to want to put in the water. All you'll need is about 3 tablespoons. So, one second. So yeah, I have my tablespoon and I also have like a cup of water. It doesn't matter how much water you have in it, as long as it's more than 3 tablespoons, but it's like easier to scoop out. So I'm just gonna like put it in and like put it in my bowl. I'll put it over here. It doesn't help much unless, can you see that? Wait, gotta like focus the light, cause like the lighting in here is really, really bad. So yeah, that's all that you need, just 3 tablespoons, and it looks like it doesn't do much, but no worries, that's how much you need. Then you'll want to put the oil in. You'll need half a cup. Vegetable oil works, but I don't have vegetable oil because calories. So I'm just going to use half a cup of olive oil. So, yeah. I'm just gonna have to wait because like Zuri? No. So that, yeah, then you'll want to dump that into your mixture to make your brownie mix very moist. And then, since I'm really bad at cracking eggs, I'm just gonna crack them first into this measuring cup. And so, yeah, I cracked both those into there, and then you'll just want to add it in. your mix should look like, that could end really badly. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip it around and show you. So after mixing all your ingredients in, this is what it should look like. It's kind of not focusing, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just everything cracked into each other. And yeah. So next what you're gonna wanna do is just blend. No, don't get a blender and blend your product, but sure. So you're gonna wanna stir it, and that's it. You're just gonna stir. You just want it to be nicely blended, and yeah, I'll get to you guys once I have it evenly saturated. So yeah. Alright, so after I blended it for a while, there's a spot right there, but it should just be nicely, just all brown, very, very brown. There shouldn't be any powder, shouldn't be egg. Oh wait, I'm obviously not very good at this because I just found some. But yeah, so once you're done with this, you're gonna wanna spread it into your pan, and that's what I'm about to do. So, oh geez. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a... So right now I'm actually putting in some extra chocolate chips because chocolate is great. Can just really add some flavor to the brownies. Anyways, shoot. Yeah, I know they're already fudge brownies, but that's okay. Chocolate is really good for you. So yeah, I got all of the brownie mix evenly distributed, and the oven is preheated. So yeah, for a 13 by 9, you're gonna want to put it in for 22 to 25 minutes. For a 9 by 9, wait, I bet I can get some good lighting. There we go. That's like not even better, but this is gonna bug me. Shoot. Anyways, okay, now I'm getting kind of bugged by it. What if I just like put it down here at this really gross angle and turned off this light? Kept the light in the back. Okay, this works fine. Not really, but okay. Okay, there we go. Anyways, so for 13 by 9, you're gonna want to put it in for 22 to 25 minutes. 9 by 9, 36 to 38. For an 8 by 8, 50 to 52. But if you live in a higher altitude, you're gonna want to stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the dry brownie mix, and use 1/3 of a cup of water, 1/3 cup oil, and 2 eggs. And for cake-like brownies, you don't want to use 3 eggs, but everything else is the same. So, I'm sorry, that was a bit intense. I don't remember where I even... Oh, I think I put the brownies... Yep, I put the brownies in here. I'm going to put mine to 24 minutes. Hit the timer. And we're going to wait. So, the timer went off, and the brownies are done. See, this is the best way to make your Betty Crocker fudge brownies out of the box. Use my method, and they'll taste great. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed, and will join me next time for my next session. Bye!